now back to me. What's up, guys? So I'm here with my boy Kevin.
Yo.
So we're gonna go to another car meet. Last video we went to a different car meet. Stay tuned for that video. I still haven't posted it yet. But so we're gonna go to the car meet right now. We should be there in about 12 minutes.
We're stuck in traffic right now, guys. I think I can't see shit. Oh no, it's getting better. It's because I'm looking at the camera, guys. I'm new to this shit.
So yeah, guys. So we're on our way. So we should be there in 12 minutes right now. I'm honestly so excited. It should be like a big area that we're gonna go to. Honestly, I can't wait to do some burnouts. You know, smoke some crack. We're there in almost in 12 minutes, so we're gonna bring it back to y'all when we get there. And right now we're taking the GR.
Hell yeah.
Their D50Z is sadly out of commission for right now.
It's...
What happened? You wanna tell them what happened?
Long story short, that shit got robbed. We found it in the ditch. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. But it's out of commission, so we can't really take the car out. But my boy Jay here, right here, he says he's gonna get sideways with the GR.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said nothing's gonna happen to the engine. He said he got it taken care of.
Yeah.
So
I think so. Guys, this is what's making us slow down. Look. There's a GT right there. Oh, I think that dude crashed.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, he definitely crashed. He probably spun out.
No, I think that's a worker on his day off, man. He came to see what's up.
Oh, you're probably right.
Holy shit, I'm gonna ask if they got jobs.
Okay, we got the switch here. Yo, this is insane, bro. What the hell?
They buy right now.
Hey, y'all working? We're here. We're here with the homies.
Yeah.
Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up in this car meet, bro. I like the original. I like the 2013 ones.
Fox Blood.
Yeah. Just sick. Just cool. It's 5.0. Just sick, man. Bro, clean it. Supra. Q50?
3.0 or 3.0?
Oh, it's 3.0. Fuck. His engine's gonna blow.
Dude. Coyote truck?
Yeah. They're sick. I like the front. The front's the only shit that I like about it.
That's 150.
Oh. They bring the GR86, you know what I'm saying? What do you think of it so far?
A lot of good cars, but...
Nah, be honest. Nah, earlier he was saying how that shit was suck.
It's an alright.
It's alright. Yeah, it's not too. I mean, it is pretty late, and it's not a weekend. Usually weekends are a little better.
But like, I feel like the ones that are more worth it are like the official
car meet pages?
Yeah. No, like official car meets, like where like the police are there, like exotic cars.
Oh, like Cars and Coffee. Yeah.
Or like Santana Row car meets.
Yeah. Like, they're getting lit over your chat. That's actually my friend's 350Z right there. Yeah.
Where's my car?
That shit bright as hell, yeah.
If you're running from the cops.
Yeah. What is that imposter?
That way.
You get a better camera. Some more chit chat. The Lamo chat. Now there's not much. Oh, shit off, bro.
Wait till the cops.
And wait till the cops come and whoop 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 whoop. He's sick, yeah.
Speaker.
Oh, speaker? Miata. Where did you get a Miata?
Me?
Yeah, this one's so nice.
Overpriced. I'm gonna get something.
I don't think a Mustang's a good option. Or even though they have their moments, that car really isn't good for idling. I don't think any muscle cars are good for idling.
The sound too.
Yeah, these make good ass sounds. C5.
Time to leave, my boy.
Yeah, it's gonna dip out. That's clean, bro. Look at the car. Look, who's flashing him?
We better go
Oh,
get
I'm
him.
about to go get him right now. But hey, shout out to the boy. He did it for the vlog.
Bro, he
He
did.
did it for the video, bro. Big shout out to that guy right there.
It sounded pretty.
The GR. We got Bay. But it's pretty much it for the car meet, guys. Oh, sorry.
Alright, what's up, guys? We came to pick up some things. We were supposed to get boba, but that shit's always packed, bro.
Yeah, I'm getting hella of these.
I wanted some Takis, and I have no fucking Takis. It's all good, though. Dude, put that shit back. Is this a Safeway brand?
Yeah.
Signature Select?
I'm getting this shit right here, y'all, for real.
Bro, that
Acebo, some candy, some tahini.
he's lying, bro. He's gonna watch. I'm gonna start recording again to see what he actually buys.
Good, bro. What'd you get? You got your chips? You got his chips? Oh, look, IS.
Bro, I don't want to walk around with this shit.
IS 300, right there, right there. Damn. Wow, that's her car.